You won't believe how easy they are to make at home. Healthy, vegan, gluten-free donuts. This dough is suitable for all kinds of donuts. Today I'm showing you a German version for Carnival.